Hi everyone, I'm back with another Sam's Bead box unboxing, and even though it says April, not sure what's going on, it's actually May's box. It's a Sunburst. It does say Happy May in the note. He always includes this little note, which I really like. It's more, I don't know, it makes the box a little more personable, like you're buying, you know, you're reading from a friend how they're doing, so I really like that part of it. Sometimes I get little tea bags in some of my orders, so I really like that Sam does that with his orders and with his bead box. So I am not going to read it all, so I don't want to bore you guys, but just know that you will get a little letter from him. I'll add the link for the bead box down in the description box. I also will, he was really kind enough to give me a code, so I'll share that with you guys if you want to place an order down in the description box. All right, so besides the little note, you get, you know, a whole list of what's in the box. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. So you get this big bead bag right here. He includes a ton of stuff. Oh my gosh, there's so many. He really packs it full of just tons of fun beads. So these are right here. These are Czech glass dagger champagne 10 by 3 millimeter, and you get 7 grams, which is about 50 pieces. Next you have these gorgeous flowers, and these are Czech glass camellia red gold wash 13 millimeters, and we get 5 pieces. Really pretty. I've seen a ton of flower jewelry lately. Then there's this gorgeous Czech glass two-tone Druck round fire mix, and it's 8 millimeters. You get 20 pieces, so 20 beads. Really pretty. I like this tone. Looks like fire, like flames. Then we have these Czech glass twist oval Siam 14 by 9 millimeter, and these are 15 pieces of these. Look at how pretty these are. Love the red. Very bright. These are Czech glass bicone crystal tangerine. It's a 6 by 5 millimeter 25 piece strand. Oh, these are pretty. And then there is Czech glass tulip red yellow 10 by 7 millimeters, and this is a 19 piece strand. Really pretty. I like the little tulips. Huh. Very cute. Then there is this assortment premium Czech glass bead mix orange, and then this is 1 ounce of beads. So we have some daggers in there, some round Drucks, looks like round Drucks, some orange, you know, like twisted Czech glass. Look at these big ones. Big like rectangle. It's a double strand. Some more daggers. These daggers are matte right there, and we have some of these. Oops. Well, we've got some of these brown ones, brown little orange beads, and then there's these like pear-shaped. We've got different shapes in here, which is really cool. Some square, these little square ones these are just 1 hole. More of this rectangle, more daggers. Got these little ones that have like white lines in them, kind of oval shaped, and some of these little I want to call them, I don't know, like C-shaped, look like a C. Very cool. So yeah, and some bigger daggers, some larger daggers, which are really cool here. So yep, those are all the orange ones. And we've got some yellow, which I love this bright yellow. Premium Czech glass bead, yellow, and this is also 1 ounce of beads. And again, we've got, well, first let me move this hair away from here. Ooh, look at these little, like donut ones. Those are cute. And again, some squares. Look at these. These are oval. Got some little lines going through them. Again, these twisted ones, only these also have some lines going through. Very cool. Some of those sea beads that were in the last one, but these are not matte. And what are these? Some more of those flat, like round little beads. You've got all these little, like these are little oval ones. These would be beautiful for some earrings, or you know what, some oh, look at these. They've got these little double 2-string one. It'd be perfect for either some macrame. Oh, look at this one. It's like fire polished or faceted, I mean. It's got a yellow faceted bead in there. It has a little bit of white. We can use elastic string. Look at this one. This one's a nice brown druck in there. So yeah, lots of really cute ones. Ooh, this one is a pillow shape. Lots of really cute beads that you can use for different things. And oh, we got a little mint that goes with. I got 2 mints, 2 little thank you mints. Very cool, thank you. And then after the yellow, of course, we've got some red. Gorgeous. Another 1 ounce, and this is light red, even though some of them are dark red. Premium Czech bead mix. Again, we've got some daggers, some red drucks, some of these. Oh, these are cool. What are these? Like potato chips? But where's the hole? Oh, the hole is here on the top. Very cool. And again, some of those little round beads right there. And then you have, again, oh, these are like little tube beads. And some more pears. Are these pears? Or these hole? No, the hole is in the center. Goes down through the middle, not the side. Which is still cute. You've got, let me show you. Look at these. Those are really pretty little pears, pear-shaped beads. And then we've got some of these round ones right there. Let me see if I have some more right there. There's more of the round, like druck shape. Round drucks. So those are the deep red ones. And then we've got some of these flat round ones. Oh, we've got some more of the pears. So got lots of those little pears. Look at that. If you separate them, you can see what you can work with. Let me see. Oh, here we got more of these. So these are all these little round ones, which are super cool. And then we've got a bunch of these little squares, which would probably look really pretty for maybe some stringing macrame, some knots, macrame knots. Look at that, these little squares look like little Tic Tacs. Well, maybe not exactly the shape, but they do look edible. All right, and then these little round ones. Oh, we got more pears over here, so we got lots of those pears. Got lots to work with. Let's see. Separate these, see what we get. And then we've got the daggers. All the daggers right here, and like little different shaped daggers. Look at those. Very pretty. Some of those. And then you've got these really gorgeous, like, shell shape, which I really like. Some more daggers. And you've got these little squares right here. Look at that. More squares. And these are 1-hole squares. So very cool. Cute little things. That's the squares, which are really pretty because they're kind of translucent. You've got like these little donut things that look like those pears. It's got the same color as the pears. And I think that's all of those. Oh no, we got more here. And yeah, and then you've got, these are the pears. And you've got these little like round discs right there. These more look like Tic Tacs, I think, than the other ones. Look at those little beads right here. You've got one faceted round one. This is another one of those round shapes over here. And then you've got the 2-hole beads. Well, this is 1 hole. And these are like another faceted. So you've got a ton of stuff to work with. These are 2-hole beads as well. Yep. 2-hole beads right here. And more of these like these little discs, 2-hole beads. Look at that. You got tons to work with. These red ones. I love it. Very, very pretty. So you've got a little bit of everything to make a ton of stuff. Look at that. I love it. All right, so we were able to kind of separate those so you could see what type of beads are in there. And then these are Czech glass rondelle light carnelian. It's a 3x5mm 25-piece strand. These are a really pretty color. Look at these. Ooh. Look at these. These are Australian Mookite Jasper smooth round 8mm. It's a 7.5-inch strand. Look at those, pretty. I love Mookite. I just got some too the other day, and I made a bracelet from macrame with these using some Irish linen string. So this is really cool. These are Czech glass flower rockin' red 6.5mm 12 grams, so about 50 pieces. Look at these little cute flowers. Cute little flowers there. Huh. Where's the hole on these? I'm always curious if it goes to the center or to the side. Oh, these are to the side. Really pretty. And there's these Czech glass long brio drop Siam 12x9mm, and they're 15 pieces. Oh, okay. Very pretty. And we're not done yet. We've got not done yet. There is these Czech glass press leaf in Siam 12x10mm 15 pieces. Look at those. I like the press leaves. Really pretty. There's another little rondelle, Czech glass rondelle, golden opal, 3x5mm. It's a 25-piece strand. So these are really pretty rondelles too. And there's still more. Czech glass textured rondelle, Siam 6x4mm. This is a 42-piece strand. Look at that. It's really pretty. Huh. I like the shape of this rondelle. Really pretty. Then there's these beautiful squares. They're Czech glass diamond brio carnelian, 12 by 13 millimeter, 10 pieces. These are pretty. They're brios, huh? Huh. Oh yeah, they have the hole on the side. It is very pretty. Then there is red jasper, smooth round 8.5 millimeter. It's a 7.5 inch strand. Look at this jasper, isn't it beautiful? The red jasper. I like that he adds gemstones, which is really, really nice. But this jasper is just gorgeous. And there's more. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, these are all those little, these are Czech glass saucers, Siam 5 by 2 millimeter, 5 grams, which is about 55 pieces. Or it is 55 pieces. It says 55 pieces, so I'm assuming it's, look at that. Ooh. Now look at these. Oh my goodness. These are carnelian art deco cut, 6 by 5 millimeter. It's a 15 inch strand. Oh my gosh, are these gorgeous or what? Oh my god, look at the cut. They have such a beautiful cut to them. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. Isn't that just beautiful? I love this. Love it. Not done yet, folks. Look at these. These gorgeous little flowers. These are Czech glass camellia pumpkin bronze wash, 13 millimeter. There's 5 pieces. Beautiful. Czech glass oval lentil champagne, 12 by 9 millimeter, and these are 20 pieces. Isn't that gorgeous? Whoa. Absolutely stunning. These are so pretty. I like champagne color beads. I like, who am I kidding? I like all beads. Alright. And last but not least, look at these. These are antique copper filigree flower connector, 14 by 29 millimeter, and this is a 4-piece set. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? So beautiful. Look at that. It's so pretty. So there we go. So that and more, you guys. I think I could fit everything into the camera. That, you guys, is the May Sam's bead box. Again, everything will be in the description box below if you want to subscribe to this bead box. Let me know what you guys think. Did you like this month? Did you like last month's? Also, the other question is, do you like when I make a piece of jewelry after or does it make the video too long and you would rather I do different videos with tutorials? Just let me know, please, because that helps me so much provide you with content that you will enjoy. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications, which is the little bell right by the subscribe button, so you get notified when I upload another unboxing video or another beading tutorial or inspiration video. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Oop. Bye.